Randy isn't kidding. When grouse are around, everything stops. In the middle of interviews, I'll look back and see Randy doing the super sneak with my shotgun. And I told Michael, there's a real live grouse killing going down. Grouse down.
There's another one.
Randy tells my boys, now, no car door slamming. Let's be real quiet while we're doing the interview so we don't get background noise. What's with this, Randy Newberg?
There's another one right here.
In the tree?
Yeah. You got a problem, man.
Hey, these are grouse. Grouse get spared no pardon.
I'll tell you what, mate. You might get him here. He's about 60 yards from him now. Right up there in that tree. And he's 2 for 2. And he is 2 for 2. Crikey. What do you think of that?
I think we've got a happy camper, a happy show host over there.
I'll tell you what, I think he's mighty happy over there.
There's hunters and then there's Randy Newberg after grouse.
If you're a grouse in my camp, you better pay close attention. Woohoo! A brace, they call that in Scotland.